Ever wondered why some written content just shines with clarity and precision? The secret lies in the art of proofreading. Proofreading is the meticulous process that transforms a rough draft into a polished masterpiece. It's not just about fixing typos, it's about ensuring every word, every sentence is perfect. Imagine your brilliant ideas being overshadowed by simple grammar errors. Proofreading prevents that. Proofreading and editing are often confused, but they serve different purposes. Editing focuses on structure and clarity, while proofreading hones in on grammar and format. Automated tools can be handy, but they lack the human touch that understands context. Human proofreaders bring adaptability and a keen eye for detail, making them indispensable. Proofreading adds credibility to your content, showcasing your attention to detail. Effective proofreading involves an organized review, reading aloud and taking breaks. Avoid over-relying on tools. Human judgment is crucial for thorough error detection. Proofreading is the final step before publication, ensuring your content is accurate and clear. It involves checking grammar, punctuation, spelling, and style consistency. Proofreading is not just a basic edit, it's a crucial part of the writing process. Professional proofreaders compare the finalized version with the copy-edited one to spot new mistakes. They identify errors, provide feedback, and suggest revisions for clarity and consistency. Attention to detail and expertise in grammar are essential skills for proofreaders. Proofreaders work in various fields, from publishing to business meetings. Automated tools offer efficiency, but lack the depth of human proofreading. Human proofreaders understand context and can adapt, making them more effective. Proofreading ensures your content is free from errors, enhancing its quality and impact. It helps deliver your message accurately and effectively, maintaining the author's voice. Proofreading contributes to the overall quality and consistency of the content. To proofread effectively, review the content's structure before focusing on finer details. Reading aloud helps catch errors that might be missed otherwise. Use tools to assist, but rely on professional proofreaders for the best results. Take breaks between revisions to maintain concentration and avoid fatigue. Common mistakes in proofreading include over-relying on tools and neglecting context. Review documents in both print and digital formats to catch all errors. Use style guides like APA and MLA for formatting and citation consistency. Grammar and spell-checking software like Grammarly and Hemingway can enhance your proofreading process. Transform your writing into a masterpiece with professional proofreading, ensuring your content shines with perfection.